The Three Pagodas Reflections Park received its name from the graceful clear reflections on the water of the three pagodas. This creates a beautiful and fantastic picture of 6 pagodas in one scene. The Reflections Park is a peaceful and perfect place to appreciate the views of the 3 pagodas in their entirety. During my visit in November, I noticed that it was low season for traveling in China. Because of this, I had the whole park to myself for a few hours. I took this to my advantage and used the park to relax and think to myself. This park is a must-see for photographers, and it deserves a visit on the way to Chongsheng Temple. I will never forget this peaceful experience, having this beautiful scenery in the background. The 3 pagodas of Chongsheng Temple are one of the tallest pagodas ever built in China. They were built over 1,000 years ago and are famous for their preservation. These pagodas have survived many years of earthquakes and 1,000 years of wind and rain. The local government still makes a great effort to strengthen this wonder of architecture, to make it strong and last for the years to come. The 3 pagodas are a symbolic structure very famous to Dali. They are a landmark of Dali City and a national treasure that earned special preservation in China. It is said the purpose of these pagodas is to magically guard against natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods. This unique style in China's ancient Buddhist architecture makes it a must-see when visiting Dali. Located behind the 3 pagodas, Chongsheng Temple is definitely a place to visit. At one time, Dali was known as the Kingdom of Buddhism and was renowned as capital of Buddhism. At that time, it was one of the largest Buddhist centers in Southeast Asia and the center of Buddhist cultural exchange. There are many sites to explore, and it will be a day trip worth your while. Along the way, you can see many beautiful Buddhist prayer halls. Once you finally reach Wanghai Tower, which is at the back of the complex, you can get a spectacular view of the 3 pagodas, Changshan Mountain, and Erhai Lake. I spent most of the day exploring the different temples, walking peacefully through this beautiful temple complex, and taking in the beautiful views of Erhai Lake in the background. Travelers can take a private car, taxi, or bus to get to this beautiful temple from Dali Ancient Town. My recommendation is to take a nice walk and experience the surroundings of the city. From Dali Ancient Town, it is about a 1.5 kilometer walk, or about 30 minutes. The temple today has been restored and converted into a museum. I would recommend taking most of the day exploring this beautiful temple and taking in the history it has.